How to make a mobile video on Canva. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. Make sure that you update it to the latest version so you can have access to all the new features. Next up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the app and simply just go ahead and click the new design by just creating a new design. Click the plus button, and as you can see, you will see multiple options. Just go ahead to the mobile video in order to create it, and afterwards we're gonna wait up for a couple seconds, and as you can see right here, it's gonna open up a new window for us, and here you're gonna see multiple designs that you can use for your video. So let's say for example, I'm gonna just use this one, and as you can see right here, like it's gonna appear a video just like this. And if you want to add another design, just go ahead and click the plus button, and it's gonna appear a new window, and just go ahead and add a plus button right here by just going ahead right here to the designs. And as you can see right here, you will see multiple designs. Just go ahead right here and select, let's have an example, this one, and I'm gonna apply all 4 pages. As you can see, we're gonna wait up, and as you can see, Happy New Year. And if you want to add another one, just go ahead right here, and if you want to duplicate this one, just go ahead and click duplicate, and it will automatically duplicate by itself. Alright, let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.